Agave Potatorum. Facts. A succulent with a strange-sounding name, Agave Potatorum is also known as the butterfly agave. As is the case with most agave family members, Agave Potatorum is a desert plant and a native of Mexico. Potatorum is the species name and has nothing to do with the potato plant but rather stems from the plant's use in brewing beer. Potatorum is pronounced with the accent on the third syllable, i.e., pot-ta-toh rum. At times, one will come across the name Agave Verschaffel tea, a variety of Agave Potatorum. Agave plants are related to the lily family but are more closely related to the yucca. Most agave plants bloom only once during their life. They form the shape of a rosette, with the succulent leaves emerging from a center stem. There are 200 species of agave in the neighborhood, ranging from Venezuela, throughout the Caribbean area, Mexico, and the southern United States, where slightly more than a dozen different species may be found. Should you ever be in the vicinity, one of the better places to view and be able to identify the different agave species, including Agave Potatorum, is the Desert Botanical Garden in Phoenix, Arizona. This excellent facility has samples from most of the desert plants found in and around the American Southwest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.